So if you're getting spitting after you release the trigger, it's because you need a clean shot on the end here, because there's a paint left over in the actual pole that after you release and it locks the paint in, the pressure wants to still shoot out some paint. So that's how you get rid of that problem. Now, if while you're spraying with this kind of swivel, you're having leaking from here, then that means you need to replace the gasket that sits in your housing, which is this right here. That's the gasket. It sits inside the housing. Usually when you buy a new tip, you get a new gasket. However, if you don't want to purchase a new tip, because they could be quite expensive, you could buy a package of just gaskets with the little rubber washers, and this way you could change that out, because sometimes those rubber washers on there, they get worn out and then they don't have a tight seal, so you'll continually leak from the housing at the end of the swivel. I'm not sure if that's your problem. Hopefully that's your issue, so try that first. You know, it's all about troubleshooting, and it's all about learning your equipment and, you know, what might be the problems and what you might have to do to correct them. So